Welcome to Hgreglux. Here we have a 2020 Bentley BENTAYGA Speed. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumpers. Perfect. Everything looks excellent. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Perfect. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks excellent. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. Okay, the front and back door look perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in good condition. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move along the back of the SUV. Alright, the trunk looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents. And the back bumper is in excellent condition as well. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition. No scratches, no dents here. And the wheel has no curb rash. Alright, now we're going to look at the passenger side doors. I do see something on the front door here, a little paint chip. But the back door looks perfect. I'm not seeing anything wrong at all. And now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel. And this fender looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. The seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. Everything here is in good condition. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on the seat. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. Everything here looks good. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation. Also backup and 360 camera. Let's take a look at the center console and make sure that we do not have any wear and tear. Excellent. I'm not seeing anything wrong. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Perfect. Okay, so the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.